I'm going to take the sunshine when we have it, and it was nice to have it around today in the warm weather that we obviously had, and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. So it was great for the air show, Wings Over Cowtown today, but we get to do it all over again tomorrow. 74 at 11 a.m., 84 tomorrow afternoon. There may be a few more clouds around tomorrow than what we saw today, but not really a ton. Overall, we'll call it partly to mostly sunny. It'll be another warm and breezy day and a great end of the weekend. If you can get outside, absolutely do so. 73 outside right now. We'll just have some passing clouds tonight, kind of moving in from the west. That's really it. Across the state, really nothing going on besides a few clouds just kind of streaming overhead, and that's all we'll see throughout the day tomorrow. We do stay dry, obviously, as we end the weekend, but our attention needs to turn to this dry line out to the west for Monday. Monday, we cloud up a little bit more. Mostly cloudy skies, probably a little muggier on Monday, but we're also going to have one of those really strong caps in place. Remember, a cap is that warm layer of air aloft, suppresses thunderstorm development. So I don't really have any thunderstorms happening during the day on Monday, during the daylight hours. Maybe one develops along the dry line during the late afternoon and evening and tries to sneak into far western North Texas Monday evening. Pretty low chance of that occurring, but it's not impossible for that to happen. Better chances are as this dry line gets a little closer to us during the late night hours. Here's, late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. Some scattered thunderstorms go up along the dry line. Most of the activity up in Oklahoma, but some of that could move into North Texas during the late night hours. It'll be hitting that cap, which should weaken some of those thunderstorms, but it's still not impossible for a few storms to be strong to severe as they move in. By Tuesday midday, most of the activity over in East Texas and everything moves out Tuesday afternoon and evening. So I don't have any rain in North Texas during the afternoon and evening hours on Tuesday. Severe threat. The way it looks now, highest kind of from Wichita Falls to Childress up through central to western Oklahoma. That's a 3 on a scale of 5. For North Texas, it's a 2 on a scale of 5. We'll say from Fort Worth, Denton to the west, a 1 on a scale of 5 from Dallas. So that's just because as those storms kind of come in, encounter that cap, could have a little bit of wind and hail across western areas, but weaken a little bit as they move into most of North Texas. Tuesday morning, it's kind of the same activity from the night before, but there could be a little activity across eastern areas, or there also could be a little redevelopment during the afternoon and evening across East Texas and over into the Arklatex, but that would be outside of North Texas for your Tuesday. Threats are just for maybe a little lingering wind and hail activity first thing on Tuesday for the eastern portion of North Texas. So that rain coverage, I don't have everybody seeing storms, so certainly not everybody will see severe weather. It's about a 40% coverage Monday night into Tuesday. We're dry Wednesday. But then some showers and storms look like they'll return later on in the week, Thursday night into Friday, and maybe even lasting into next weekend as well. Dry, mild, and breezy tonight. 63 will be your low. Tomorrow, dry, warm, and breezy. 84 for the high. Around 80 on Monday. But then look at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Highs in the upper 80s. Some 90s possible in portions of North Texas as well, especially across western areas where the air tends to be a little bit drier. And then this next weekend, we can try and remember this one after it happens. Looks like we could have some rain around, maybe a little cooler weather for this next weekend. Highs only in the 60s. Then we warm back up into the 70s, maybe with some storm chances returning there for the second half of that following week there. So a little bit up and down, but 'tis the season, and some storm chances kind of mixed in there as well.